A blessed day to each and every one of you. This is Francisco III P. Palma, a Doctor of Education, major in Physical Education student, and we will be discussing the Unit 8 micronutrients under the Sports Training and Nutrition. Micronutrients are vital substances that are required by the body in small amounts for proper health, growth, and development. While macronutrients such as carbohydrates, proteins, and fats provide energy, micronutrients support essential physiological functions such as immune system health, bone strength, and metabolism. So this unit focuses on two main categories of micronutrients, the vitamins and minerals. Vitamins are organic compounds required by the body in small amounts to regulate various physiological processes. They are categorized into two groups, the fat-soluble and water-soluble. So for the fat-soluble vitamins, these vitamins dissolve in a fat and are stored in the liver and fatty tissues, making them more likely to accumulate in the body, such as vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. So for the water-soluble vitamins, these vitamins dissolve in the water and are not stored in the body, which means they must be replenished regularly, such as vitamin C and vitamin B. For fat-soluble vitamins, we have the vitamin A retinol. Function essential for vision, immune function, and skin health. Sources: carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach. A deficiency in vitamin A can lead to night blindness. Vitamin D. Function: helps in calcium absorption, promoting bone health and immune support. Sources: sunlight, fatty fish, fortified dairy. Insufficient vitamin D can cause rickets in children, is a form of disorder that occurs in children before bone growth is complete, and osteomalacia, a condition characterized by the softening of bones due to inadequate mineralization, often caused by vitamin D deficiency in adults. For vitamin E, function: acts as an antioxidant, protecting cells from oxidative stress. Sources: almonds, sunflower, seeds, spinach. A vitamin E deficiency may lead to muscle weakness and vision problems. And last, vitamin K, function: vital for blood clotting and bone health. Sources: leafy greens like kale, broccoli, and fish. So a lack of vitamin K can lead to excessive bleeding or bruising. For water-soluble vitamins, we have the vitamin C, or also known as ascorbic acid. Function: supports immune function, collagen production, and iron absorption. Sources: citrus fruits, strawberries, bell peppers, and more. So deficiency in vitamin C can lead to scurvy, a condition characterized by bleeding gums and joint pain. B vitamins, including the B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B7, B9, and B12. Function: play a crucial role in energy production and metabolism. Sources: whole grains, eggs, fish, leafy vegetables. So we have the B1 or thiamine and B12 cobalamin. So thiamine supports nervous system function, deficiency leads to beriberi, and cobalamin crucial for nerve function and red blood cell production, deficiency can cause anemia and neurological problems. Next, we have the minerals. Minerals essential for structural and regulatory roles. Minerals are inorganic elements required by the body for various functions, including bone health, muscle function, and fluid balance. They are divided into major minerals and trace minerals. Major minerals, these are minerals are needed in larger quantities such as calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, and sodium, while trace minerals, these are required in smaller amounts but are still essential for good health such as iron, zinc, iodine, and selenium. First, we have the major minerals. Calcium, essential for strong bones and teeth, nerve signaling, and muscle contraction. Sources: dairy products, fortified plant-based milks, leafy greens. Inadequate calcium intake can lead to osteoporosis, a condition where bones become weak and brittle. Phosphorus works with the calcium to form bones and teeth, also involved in energy metabolism. Sources: meat, dairy products, beans. Deficiency is rare but can lead to weakened bones. Magnesium regulates muscle and nerve function, supports the immune system, and helps with energy production. Sources: whole grains, nuts, seeds, leafy greens. Magnesium deficiency can cause muscle cramps and fatigue. And last, we have the sodium. Regulates fluids, balance, and maintains proper blood pressure. Sources: table salt, processed foods, soups. And excessive sodium intake can increase the risk of high blood pressure and cardiovascular disease. Next, we have the trace minerals. Iron, vital for production of hemoglobin, which carries oxygen in the blood. Sources: red meat, beans, spinach. Iron deficiency can cause anemia, resulting in fatigue and weakness. Zinc supports immune function, protein synthesis, and wound healing. Sources: meat, shellfish, beans, nuts. Zinc deficiency can impair immune function and slow down wound healing. Iodine, necessary for thyroid hormone production, which regulates metabolism. Sources: iodized salt, seafood, dairy. Iodine deficiency can lead to goiter and enlargement of thyroid gland. And selenium acts as an antioxidant, protecting cells from oxidative stress. Sources: Brazil nuts, seafood, whole grain. Selenium deficiency is rare but can contribute to heart disease and weakening immune function. The role of micronutrients in sports nutrition. For athletes, micronutrients plays an important role in performance and recovery. Some of the most critical micronutrients in sports nutrition include vitamin C, iron, magnesium, vitamin D. Vitamin C helps with recovery by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress after intense exercise. Iron important for endurance athletes as it helps maintain oxygen transport to muscles. Magnesium helps with muscle relaxation and recovery after workouts. And vitamin D supports muscle function and strength, especially in athletes who train indoors or in low sunlight. Micronutrient deficiencies and implication. So, vitamin D deficiency can lead to reduced bone mineral density, making athletes more prone to fractures. Iron deficiency, common in endurance athletes, can lead to fatigue, decreased performance, and anemia. And calcium deficiency leads to brittle bones and an increased risk of stress fractures. So, in conclusion, micronutrients, though needed in small quantities, are still essential for maintaining overall health, enhancing athletic performance, and supporting recovery. A well-balanced diet that includes a variety of foods from all food groups is crucial for athletes and non-athletes alike to ensure adequate intake of these vital nutrients. So understanding the role of each micronutrient can help improve performance and prevent deficiencies. And here are my references from International Society of Sports Nutrition, American College of Sports Medicine, and Institute of Medicine. Once again, this is Francisco III P. Palma, a Doctor of Education, major in Physical Education student. Remember, every small step toward a healthier lifestyle makes a big difference. Take care and stay balanced. And thank you for your attention.